going on, everybody? Today is October 4th, 2020. We're gonna start beans. Seems like they might be dry enough now. Here's our combine: 1640, 1020, 20-foot bean head with a air reel system. We got the 856 hooked up to the wagons. These are our Parker 2600s. We got the auger set up back there to that bend. This one is for the corn, this front one. Back one here is for the beans. I'll give it a little bit here. We got the other wagon down there we got to hook up yet, but yeah, we're gonna give it a little bit here and give it a shot, see how they go. Well, before we get started combining, gotta throw the boot on the auger up there, so I'm gonna crawl up there quick, throw that on. Not a bad view. Okay, go up a little. Go up. Okay, slide it in. Go down. That's good. Okay, got the auger set up, boots under it. Check the beans once, see if they're dry enough. One thing when you're checking beans, you always grab them from the bottom. They're still a little mushy. Give them a little bit. Well, we're opening up the field. Got the air reel going, the whole bean head. This air reel, I'm loving this. It sure feeds them in nice. Moisture's pretty good. 96 bushel beans, I'll take it. Got the radio off right now, trying this new head out, making sure, not hearing any funny noises, making sure everything seems to be working. Everything seems pretty good. The old man's walking behind me, checking out, make sure we're not losing anything. So far, so good. Well, we took out the first hopper. He seemed to be running pretty good. I think average was about 12.4 for moisture, so we're just gonna keep plucking away today. Yeah.
1540 is knocking the beans out today, about 5 acres an hour.
Something at night, sun starts to go down. We're on the second field at home here. We got done the 13-acre field up above. Went pretty good. I think I ran about 74. These ones at home here are running pretty good. They're really dry. We're gonna see how much we can get out tonight before they start getting tough. But we'll get back at them again tomorrow. Try and get you guys some nighttime footage too. And in case you're wondering, they've never ran an aerial before, this is my first time running an aerial, and it is awesome. The beans feed in so much nicer. It's just, yeah, it's really nice. You don't have a lot of header shatter, it seems like, with it. They just blow in really, really nice and even. And we also got a backup camera we put in here. I like leaving it on, make sure everything's working coming out of the back end, but yeah. But it does make it really nice for backing it in the shed at night. Well, 7:30, got the lights on. We went full LED on this thing, love it. Works great. Yeah. They haven't gotten tough yet. Moisture's still down there. Could pick up a little bit, wouldn't be bad. They're yielding pretty good. I mean, I don't know if you heard that, bouncing off the windshield. So we're gonna keep giving her tonight for a bit. I don't know if you can see me or not. Maybe now, I don't know. Just finishing up unloading these beans for the old man. We're almost all done with his, then we'll be taking my beans out next. Looks like good weather the rest of the week, so we're gonna try it. Hopefully get done with beans this week, get set up for corn. Old man's just pulling up now.